Hey guys, Joe here doing a quick one take. It is Friday, and I need to explain why you didn't get a video yesterday, but you got one on Wednesday, and you got one on Tuesday, and you got one on Monday, and you got one on Saturday, maybe? I don't remember. But I've been putting up a lot more of these shorter videos, and that's because I want to keep you guys updated on what's going on as I'm trying to restructure things. Getting hospitalized kind of put a huge damper on things, so I need you guys to help me out. If you like these videos, subscribe. If you like the firearm videos, subscribe. If you want to know something, put it in the comments. Help me out here because yeah, just being hospitalized for a week and not being able to publish videos cost me about 30% of my income from YouTube videos, as well as about 30% of my views. So I'm still here. I'm still making videos. Come back, rejoin me, and we'll have fun. Starting with this damn thing. This is my dual X79 Xeon workstation. That's going to be my editing rig from now on. And as you can see, it's built, it's put together. If you saw the last video where I said I need to stop question mark, I was talking and showing you how I had a super long tube that I hadn't cut. That's all done. Hello, focus. The system is together now. It's got all its RAM, graphics card, hard drives, big power supply because it has dual power for the CPUs. So this is ready to go. However, my NVMe drive died. I took it out of my gaming rig, which is on the floor, and disassembled because I actually sold the parts that were in there so that I can A, upgrade, and B, get the most money out of them while I can, because with new parts coming out, it tends to devalue the existing parts. I was lucky in that I was able to keep all of my water cooling gear, the case, and the 1,000-watt power supply, and still got the same amount of money I was going to charge for the completed system from a person I know. One of my guys that buys tech made me the right offer, so I sold him everything. And yeah, so that is officially torn apart, waiting for the appropriate board to build something even better with actual good hardline tubing and good fittings and something worthy of a giant damn case. That is a firearm video that's coming out on Tuesday, so keep your ears open for that. My desk is a mess. It's 3 o'clock in the morning, in case you couldn't tell. But this is a mess. I'm going through. I'm going to put those. Where's the other motherboard? Meh, it's here somewhere. Oh, it's on the floor. I can see it from here. But I'm going to be putting together the last two computers today, getting all this cleaned off. That is going over there. That will be going into my Leon Lee case. I have a Z97 ITX motherboard coming, which is going into that Apple case because I'm going to be building a reverse Hackintosh. I'm going to build a Mac PC. That's what we're going to call it, a Mac PC. And I still have to just clean this all up and get stuff going. I have a couple of really cool things coming that I got really cheap on eBay because I had to return that stupid 780 because it didn't work, which sucks because it was complete in box. However, as I said in the other video, I found one for half price. So as long as he still has that when I get my refund from the other thing, I'm going to go ahead and buy that. I need to clear out the boxes that don't pertain to anything I own anymore, so I'm going to keep some of the boxes, but most of these boxes will go away. I don't need them for background. I thought I did. But that brings me to the G1 Assassin build, so hang on a second. And that leads me to the G1 Assassin build, and I have part of a video coming. I will do the rest of that video and get it uploaded to my computer and edited when I have that. But I'm going to use this as my gaming rig for right now. However, I have to make a couple of quick changes. But as you can see, I had to put it on my P5 chassis just because of the sheer length of the motherboard. So that's done. Threw a couple of drives on there, including my Steam drive and game drive, and that's a 980 Ti that I had to replace the fan on, but it works flawlessly. And as you can see, even though it's X58, it only has 4 DIMMs populated because the CPU has a damaged memory controller, which is from me overvolting that chip to 4.7 on the wrong system and almost frying it, but it still works good. Still has an over 1,000 point CB score, which is impressive on air. But yeah, so that system is getting a video done on it. Looks really weird to be on that chassis, considering I have the hard drives mounted in the wrong place because I don't have the hard drive enclosures on the back. So I just have all my drives right there. But what can you do? Yeah, I'm going to install some more programs on that so I can get some good testing done on that to see how it holds up in 2020. As you can see, there's a lot of green and red clashing. There's not much I can do about that. Don't really care. It's just a good system. It works good. It runs at full speed. I was playing Forza Horizon 4 today, and even on just the 980 Ti 1440p was no problem. So yeah, that's about it. No more really updates until I get a few things in the mail. Once I get those and send out the other stuff and I have those, I will do more updates and we will see what's happening. I'll keep you guys updated as I clean up parts and things like that. I am looking for a few things, so if you want to donate some stuff, graphics cards, boxes, if you have empty boxes for graphics cards, I'm starting to collect those and I could definitely use those. Let me know in the comments or send me a private message and we will discuss it. You can send it to my email, which is in my about section. So that's about it. It is just closing in on 4 o'clock in the morning. I need to get a few hours of sleep before I start cleaning up and finishing the last 2 systems. So I'm Audi 5000. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Any questions, leave them down below. Subscribe, use my Amazon affiliate links, do all that good jazz. And as always, I'll talk to you later.